Welcome to AKN Spirit Education. Myself Naveen. I am the mathematics mentor, and today let us discuss about Cramer's rule. Consider the following system of equation, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Let us represent the following system of equation in matrix equation form. Children, what is matrix equation form? That is ax is equal to d. Matrix equation form is ax is equal to d. Children, what is A here? A equal to, A is called coefficient matrix. What is the coefficient of x here? A1. Coefficient of y is B1. Coefficient of z is C1. And here, what is the coefficient of x? A2. Here it is B2. Here it is C2. And whereas here, coefficient of x is A3. Coefficient of y is B3 and the coefficient of z is C3. So this is called what, children? This is called coefficient matrix. This is called coefficient matrix. And what about x here? Here x is equal to x, y, z, that is called, this is solution of matrix. We can also call it as variable matrix. And coming to d1, d2, d3, they are called constant. D equal to d1, d2, d3, they are called constant matrix. So this is called matrix equation form. And what is coefficient matrix, what is variable matrix, and what is constant matrix. Okay, let us consider a system of equations. For example, 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 18, 2x minus y plus 8z is equal to 13, 5x minus 2y plus 7z is equal to 20. You see, you can represent a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1 as 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 18. Okay, let us solve the following system of equations by using Cramer's rule. Okay, so first let us write what is the coefficient matrix and what is variable matrix and what is constant matrix. Okay, you call it as, this is equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. We have three equations. Okay, let us find first coefficient matrix A. X coefficient is 3 and y coefficient is 4 and z coefficient is 5. Whereas in second equation 2, coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is nothing in the sense 1, that is minus 1, coefficient of z is 8. Coming to third equation, coefficient of x is 5, coefficient of y is minus 2 and coefficient of z is 7. Got it, children? What A matrix, that is called coefficient matrix, and the second one is x, that is called as variable matrix, x, y, z. This is called solution of a given equations. Okay, so actually we have to find x value, y value, z value. Children, remember, to find x we have the formula delta 1 by delta, and to find y we have the formula delta 2 by delta, And to find the Z, we have the formula delta 3 by delta. This is the most important point when we are solving Cramer's rule. Children, for finding the value of x, y, z, they are called solution of given equation. For finding x, we have the formula delta 1 by delta. For finding y, we have the formula delta 2 by delta. For finding z, we have the formula delta 3 by delta. Okay children, so first let us find. Also we have constant matrix D, that is what, 18, 13, 20. This is called constant matrix. So what is matrix equation form? Matrix equation form is Ax is equal to D. So that is called matrix equation form. What is A? Coefficient matrix. What is X? Variable matrix. What is D? That is constant matrix. Okay. So actually we have to find delta, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Children, how to find determinant? Delta is equal to determinant of matrix A 3, 4, 5, 2 minus 1, 8, 5 minus 2, 7. Let us find delta value. That is determinant 3 into minus 1 into 7 minus 7 minus into minus plus 2 8 is 16 children. Next minus 4 into 2 7 is 14 minus 5 8 is 40 plus 5 into 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus into minus plus 5 1 is 5. Okay children, so 3 into 16 minus 7 9 minus 4 into 14 minus 40 minus 26 plus 5 into 5 minus 4 1. 3 9 is 27 minus into minus plus 4 6 is 24 4 2 is 8 plus 2 10 5 1 is 5. 7 plus 4 11 11 plus 5 16 1 plus 2 3, that is 136. So what is delta? Delta value is 136, which is not equal to 0. Okay. Next thing is we have to find delta 1 children. How to find delta 1? Listen carefully. To find delta 1, what we need to do? We need to replace the first column. We need to replace the first column with the constant matrix. Children, what is the constant matrix? 18, 13, 20. Column 2, column 3 as usual children. 4 minus 1 minus 2, 5, 8, 7. We need to replace first column with the matrix 18, 13, 20. Okay. So now let us find delta 1 plus minus plus. So 18 into minus 1 into 7 minus 7 minus into minus plus 8 2 is 16 minus 4 into 13 7 is 91 minus 28 is 160. Next plus 5 into 13 into minus 2 minus 26 minus into minus plus 21 is 20. Okay. So 18 into 16 minus 7 9 minus 4 into 160 minus 91 10 minus 1 9 15 minus 9 6, that is minus 69 plus 5 into 26 minus 20, that is minus 6 children. Okay. So 18 9 is 172 minus into minus plus 4 9 is 36 4 6 is 24 plus 3 27 minus 5 6 is 30. 6 plus 2 8 14 4 48 minus 30, that is equal to how much children? 408. So what is the delta 1? Delta 1 value is 408. Okay. Now let us find delta 2. Children, how to find delta 2? What to do? We need to replace second column with the constant matrix. First column as it is children. First column is what? 3, 2, 5 as it is. We need to replace second column with 4 minus 1 minus 2, that is 5, 8. Second column we need to replace with constant matrix 18, 13, 20, and third column as it is 5, 8, 7. Okay children, now plus minus plus, so 3 into 13 7 jar 91 minus 28 jar 160 minus 18 into 2 7 jar 14 minus 5 8 jar 40 plus 5 into 2 20 jar 40 minus 13 5 jar 65. Okay, what is 91 minus 160, which is equal to minus 69, minus 18 into minus 26 plus 5 into 10 minus 5 5, 5 minus 4 1, which is minus 16 children. 65 minus 40, 5 minus 0 5, that is 25 minus 25. So 3 9 is 27, 3 6 is 18 plus 2 20, minus into minus plus 26 into 18, 8 6 is 48, 8 2 is 16 plus 4 20, 1 6 is 6, 1 2 is 2, 8, 6, that is 468 minus 25 5 is 125, 125 207. 7 plus 5 12, 332, 468, that is 136 children. 136, which is not equal to 0. Okay, now what to do? We need to find delta 3. We need to find delta 3. How to find delta 3 children? Let us keep the first column as it is 3, 2, 5. Second column as 4, minus 1, minus 2. And replace third column with the constant matrix 18, 13, 20. Okay. So plus, minus, plus 3 into minus 20, minus into minus plus 26, minus 4 into 40, minus 65 plus 18 into minus 4 plus 5, right? 3 into 6 minus 4 into minus 25 plus 18 into 1 children. 26 minus 26, 40 minus 65 minus 25 minus 4 plus 5 1. 18 plus 25 4 is 100 plus 18. 18 plus 18 36 plus 100 136, which is also not equal to 0. Children, what we did now? So far we found delta value, delta 1 value, delta 2 value. Delta 1 in the sense we need to replace first column with the constant matrix. Delta 2 in the sense we need to replace second column with the constant matrix. Delta 3 in the sense we need to replace third column with the constant matrix. So we have found delta 1, first delta we found, then delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Okay. So now the thing is we have to find the value of x. The formula is delta 1 by delta. Delta 1 we got 408 by delta value is 136. 136 1 ja, 136 3 ja. So what is the value of x? X value is 3. Now we have to find y value. Y equal to delta 2 by delta. Delta 2 is 136 by delta value 136. 136 1 ja, 136 1 ja. So what is the value of y? Y value is 1. Now we have to find delta z value. Delta 3 by delta. Delta 3 we got 136 and delta also 136. 136 1 ja, 136 1 ja. So z is equal to how much, children? Z is equal to 1. So what is the solution of the matrix? That is x is equal to xyz, that is 3 1 1. This is called our solution of the matrix. X is equal to 3 1 1. In this way we can solve the system of equations by using Cramer's rule. Remember, delta 1 means first column with the constant matrix. Delta 2 means second column with the constant matrix. Delta 3 in the sense third column with the constant matrix. That's all, children. So when we are calculating, calculation part, plus into minus, minus into plus, addition, subtraction, it will go sometime wrong. So once if we practice, you will get the correct answer. So while doing calculations, be careful. Thank you, children. I hope you understood this concept clearly. If you like, you please subscribe my channel. Thank you, children.